When you're crocheting a filet crochet chart, each square equals 3 chains. So I've chained 18 for the bottom here, and you start on the bottom right with an open square. And when you start with an open square, you're going to chain 5 more. And that counts for 2 chains going up and 3 chains going over. So you're going to then start the next square, which is a closed square, with 3 double crochets. So you skip, let's see, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You skip 1, 2, 3, and we're double crocheting into the 4th chain. So you've made an open box, and then you double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So each square takes up 3 of these chains. Now we've done an open square and a closed square, and we have 2 more opens in a row. So I'm going to chain 3, and then I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3, anchor it in the middle there, and then chain 1, 2, 3. And now we're skipping 3 and we're doing the next closed box. So we're going to double crochet into the next 3. And to close her up, we're going to chain 5. I'm sorry, we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to close with a double crochet in this last chain. All right, so that's what it looks like when you start with an open stitch.